Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Point 6 Natural remedies for tendonitis. The RICE protocol, rest, ice, compression, and elevation, is a common natural remedy for tendonitis, an injury to a tendon that's often due to repetitive strain. Other natural remedies may include alternative medicine options like acupuncture, herbal remedies, and massage. /r/n/r/n Keep in mind that natural remedies for tendonitis show some promise, but there's limited scientific support for the claim that any form of alternative medicine can treat the condition. More research is needed. Talk with your healthcare provider about natural remedy use. /r/n/r/n In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, does not regulate dietary supplements the way it regulates prescription medications. As a result, some supplement products may not contain the ingredients listed on the label. When choosing a supplement, look for products independently tested or certified by organizations such as the National Sanitation Foundation, NSF, United States Pharmacopoeia, USP, or Consumer Lab. For personalized guidance, consult your healthcare provider, registered dietitian nutritionist, RD or RDN, or pharmacist. /r/n/r/n The RICE method can be used to treat pain and swelling from tendonitis right away. It involves /r/n/r/n The RICE option is not the only method, and some experts recommend other approaches to ensure that blood flow is available to help promote healing. /r/n/r/n While resting is important immediately after a sudden injury, most people diagnosed with a tendon injury benefit from gentle exercises once their healthcare provider says it's okay. /r/n/r/n Exercise is the first-line treatment strategy of a conservative approach to tendonitis that typically affects /r/n/r/n A 2023 review of resistance training exercises looked at 110 different studies on how the exercises were used to treat tendonitis at common sites. They included the intensity and frequency of different exercise types, as well as which types were preferred for knees, hips, etc. /r/n/r/n The exercise types included /r/n/r/n Each type of exercise focuses on how your muscles contract and the specific benefits. The authors note that the shoulder and the Achilles tendon in your foot, for example, perform very different tasks in daily life. Therefore, the same type and intensity of exercises may not work for all cases. /r/n/r/n Physical therapy can benefit those with injuries that need treatment from a healthcare provider. A physical therapist will focus on providing the right stretches and exercises to help you heal an injury. /r/n/r/n Tendonitis is an inflammation of tissue that attaches muscles to bone. It most commonly occurs around the elbows, shoulders, and knees, but it can also affect the wrists, hips, and heels. Sports injuries and repetitive motion injuries, often work-related, are common causes of a tendon injury. Older people are more likely to injure a tendon than younger people. A 2023 study found that smoking and alcohol consumption can affect whether surgery is needed or, as in 90% of cases, if treatments like exercise will manage tendonitis. /r/n/r/n Massage is sometimes used to treat tendonitis. It's not clear how the technique works, but it may be that increased temperature from the massage motion helps relieve stiff joints and allows muscles to be more flexible. Granular deposits in muscle caused by tendonitis also may be dissolved. /r/n/r/n Some studies have shown that massage works for pain relief. Others find less evidence for massage and greater improvements with treatments like extracorporeal shockwave therapy, ESWT. It's also noted that ESWT is similar to massage in the way sound and vibration affect tissue. /r/n/r/n If you want to try massage, There are a few types available, /r/n/r/n. There are few risks to having massage therapy, although there have been isolated reports of blood clots, bone fractures, or nerve injury. This may be more common in older adults or people with underlying medical conditions like cancer, osteoporosis, or deep vein thrombosis. Talk with your healthcare provider about the treatment and a referral to a licensed massage therapist. /r/n/r/n acupuncture is, like tuna, based on TCM principles. It has been shown to improve blood flow and the delivery of oxygen to tissues in the tendon. It also may play a role in nerve function. /r/n/r/n acupuncture has been studied extensively in treating tendinopathies of the elbow, ankle, shoulder, and more. Dry needling, a practice that uses acupuncture needles, also has been used to treat sites affected by tendonitis. It's considered safe and effective, but more research is needed to confirm its health benefits. /r/n/r/n. Be sure to speak with your healthcare provider before trying acupuncture. It does have some potential side effects and may not be safe for everyone. /r/n/r/n. There is interest and some evidence for how vitamins, supplements, and herbal products can be used as natural remedies for tendonitis. /r/n/r/n. These herbal preparations have been used by some for tendonitis, but more evidence is needed until they are proven effective. /r/n/r/n. Vitamin supplements have been studied for their effects in treating tendonitis. Vitamins and minerals that may play a role in tendon health include vitamin C. /r/n/r/n. However, many other minerals and supplements are under study, including collagen supplements, chondroitin, omega-3 fatty acids, and even post-surgery healing patches that contain zinc. /r/n/r/n. The relationship between diet and any impact on tendonitis remains unclear. A 2019 study of high-level athletes and the Achilles tendon looked at water intake, diet, and exercise to determine the effects on the tendon. /r/n/r/n. The only nutrition-related trend appeared in people with Western-style diets, increased meat, fats, processed foods, consumed during their youth. That said, it's important to maintain a well-balanced diet. It's also important to maintain a healthy weight in order to protect joints and muscles. /r/n/r/n. Tendonitis may require more comprehensive treatment from a healthcare provider, but many people can resolve the pain and inflammation with conservative measures. These natural remedies can include immediate rest and icing of a sudden injury or alternative options like acupuncture. /r/n/r/n. Talk to your healthcare provider about tendonitis treatment. Even simple measures like taking a vitamin or supplement may be a concern if you have another health condition or take other medications. It's also likely that you may need additional care from a healthcare provider. /r/n/r/n, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.